Okay, good evening. This is an update. It's probably 2 days later, 3 days later. So that was the original code. And when you run it, it asks for input. So you give it whatever you want it to do, and it would make the LED flash, but it would only do it once. So let me stop it. And if you wanted to change the blink rate, you'd have to run it again. So 1 second, and it'll blink for 1 second. So that was the original code. This is the updated version that I needed help with, by the way. I had no idea about threading. This is, obviously my Python is very limited. But this is the code. And when I run this, it wants a speed. So you put in, say, 1 second, and it'll flash the LED, and it'll ask you for a new speed. So then if I type in 0.09, you'll see that the new code or the new speed. And if I type in 0.5 or 0.3, but obviously I've got a lot of research that I need to do. But it was I found it a difficult task, and I needed to do a lot of research, and I still didn't understand this bit at all. So there we are, it's done. To what degree I own it is another matter, but it's done, and I've had some help, but I think that's all about learning. So very good evening.